Hi everyone, Kurt from Richmond Wheel and Caster. We're taking a look at the cantilever gate behind us that's been built just recently, and I thought this might be the perfect opportunity to show you how to lubricate that gate and make sure it continues to run for years to come. So the first thing we're going to lubricate is our wheel sets. These will carry the weight of the gate, so naturally they do a lot of work. I've got my Richmond lubricant here. Now I just want to make sure that everyone knows not to use a WD-40 or a CRC, as they can attract dust. What we've got here is a penetrating oil. I've got my nozzle attached, so I'm just going to get in under the rail and lubricate those wheels. So for the second part, we're going to lubricate the channel, and with this spray it actually foams, so we've taken the nozzle out and I can spray directly up into the channel, and that will obviously drip down and make its way out. Luckily we've got plenty of clearance here I can get underneath, but with the nozzle even up against the footing you should still have room to lubricate your channel. Easiest way to do it is to run the gate while I spray the channel. Now you don't need to run a continuous spray. As I said, the spray will foam and the wheels will also help to spread the lubricant as the gate opens and closes. Last but not least is your guide rollers. A little bit of a spray with the tube in, and that's it. Okay, so we've lubricated that gate now with our Richmond lubricant, and it was quite simple. I would probably do this every 6 months, but if you're in certain locations where it requires a bit more maintenance, you can certainly do it monthly or quarterly, and it should keep your gate running smoothly.